Now let's discuss about csproj file in our existing project. So let's go to the Visual Studio and let's open our project file. Let me close this. So opening the project file, that's very simple in .NET Core. We have to double click on this on the name of your web project. So let's double click it and let's see what do we have in this csproj file. So this is basically your SDK. This is automatically, we can see when we install our .NET Core. So this SDK is automatically get installed, right? And next we have our target framework, as we can see. So in this project, we are using .NET Framework 5.0. That is our target framework. Next we have item group. All the packages which are installed for this project are available here. So for this project, in this web API project, whatever we have added, all the packages are available in the csproj file. So that is all for C# project file in .NET Core.